A woman accused of assaulting people with bear spray during a fireworks show in Trinidad has now pleaded guilty to one felony-level assault charge. 24-year-old Corey Howlett faces 2 assault charges after being arrested outside Central Park Baseball Stadium in July of this year. According to arrest records, the 24-year-old was protesting the 4th of July and shouting obscenities at the crowd. In July, that second investigation was opened against Howlett for a second incident involving dangerous chemicals. She has not been charged for the second incident. Sentencing for Howlett is scheduled for December.